That's the police station.
We need that.
Yeah.
It was a custodial valley. It was custodial just like the command itself in the bathroom. So that's why we don't offer.
Okay. So we are here in Jengjal in West Garo Hills, and you can see this beautiful new building behind me. This is a modern police station, and we're so happy that this has been inaugurated. And just for the information of our citizens, that this police station has been made as per the standards that have been laid down by Government of India. So this is one of the most modern as well as full facilities and infrastructure police station in the entire state. And we are hopeful that slowly we'll be able to replicate this model and have this in other parts of the state also.